Hello, this is second grade lesson 4, and counting blocks is the first thing that we're going to start today. So, write the total value of the blocks. When we look at the blocks, this one represents 100. 100, okay? And these, so each of these, they represent 10. So 10. And then these ones by itself, they represent 1. So that's 1, that represents 1, that's 1, and that's also 1, okay? So if you count, we're going to have 1 and 2, so 200, right? 200 because that represents 100. Plus, and then 1, 2, 3, that would be 30 because each of them represents 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. So that would be 200 plus 30 plus 4, which equals 234. So the answer for number 1 would be 234. Okay, let's try number 2. Number 2, we have 100, right? 100 plus 1, 2, so these represent 10. So each of them represents 10. So that would be 100 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 60. And then plus, we count how many ones we have. So 1, 2. That would be plus 2. So if we add 100 plus 60 plus 2, 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 6 is 6. And then the 1 comes down. So that would be 162, and that would be our answer. Let's move on to the next page. So expanded form. Rewrite the numbers in expanded form. Number 1, we have 37. So writing in expanded form would be 30 because 3 tenths is 30, okay? And plus 7 because we have 7 ones. And number 2, we have 1. So number 2, we have 20 because we have 2 tenths plus 9 ones. That would be 20 plus 9. And let's try number 12. We have 65. 65 has 6 tenths, right? So that would be 60 plus 5 ones, right? When we look at the ones place, we have 5. So that would be 60 plus 5. And let's try number 13. Number 13, here, the tens place, in the tens place, there's 9. So that would be 90 plus, and there's 3 in the ones place. So that would be 90 plus 3, okay? Let's move on. Addition sentences. Write the addition sentence that matches each picture below. So we're going to count how many each has and then write the addition sentence. So for number 1, we're going to count how many smile faces there are. So 1, 2, 3, right? 3 smiley faces. So we put 3 plus, and then we count how many sad faces there are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sad faces. So 3 plus 5 is 8. so that'll be our addition sentence. Let's try number 3. We're going to count how many birthday hats there are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 birthday hats, and 1, 2, 3. 3 cakes. So 5 plus 3 is 8. And if you look at it, it's the same answer for number 1 because 3, so 3 plus 5, or 5 plus 3 equals 8, okay? Now we're gonna try the word problems. We're trying number 1. So Jennifer picked 13 flowers in the morning. She picked some more flowers in the afternoon. If Jennifer picked 21 flowers in total, how many did she pick in the afternoon? So we know that she picked 13 in the morning, and then after, so picking all the flowers, she has 21. So we're going to do 21 minus 13. Because the top number is smaller than the bottom number, and 1 is smaller than 3, right? So we're going to borrow 1/10 from the 2. We cross this out. That's going to be 1. And now this is going to turn into 11 because we borrowed 1/10. So 11 minus 3 is 8, right? And 1 minus 1 is 0. So we don't write the 0. That would be 8 flowers. So she picked 8 flowers in the afternoon. Now we're going to try one more. We're going to do number 3. David has 87 crayons. He gives 38 of them to Thomas. How many crayons does David have left? We're going to do 87 minus 38 because he gives 38 away. Now, here again, the top number is smaller than the bottom number, right? 7 is smaller than 8. So we're going to borrow 1/10 from 8. That would turn into a 7 because we subtract 1. And now we have 17 over here. Okay, 17 minus 8 would be 9. And 7 minus 3 is 4. So the answer would be 49 crayons. So he has 49 crayons left. Okay, thank you.